So, almost a month back, I was having my breakfast in a hotel. When I'm about to pay my bill, I looked outside and there was a dog which was looking at me. All of a sudden I realized, I tried to empathize. How sad is a dog's life to have its food. Now I reimagine, I try to change my perspective from dog side. What if dogs empathize for me? And if it delivers the same message, how sad is a human life to have its food, have their food, which is supposed to be available naturally, and some people paying for it and some people are really struggling to get it. So I concluded myself, every living and non-living things in this world carries some value. Some value we understand, some value we don't understand, and some values we pretend that we understand. This is Mohan Balaji, user experience designer. To tell more about myself, there is two angles to it. One is on the professional side and another is on the personal side. On the personal side, like everyone here, I also went through the same set of stages. Interestingly, I had an option. In my earlier days, I tried to learn football. Within some time, I realized that I am not so good at it, so I changed my focus to volleyball. Initially, I was struggling. Later on, every day was a learning curve for me. I'm trying to recollect the things that I did during that time. I used to take a small brick in my hand. So I used to jump and then do a jumping practice. So over the period, it kept on increasing. A certain level it stopped, which is sufficient enough to reach the ball at a certain level actually. This is just one example. There are other angles that I need to make a proper steps and I need to beat the ball in the air. So everything should happen so the decision has to be made on the air also. So to look into my personal life, that I feel that to be a biggest learning, because I had a very good team where everyone improved on their skills. We literally fighted with each other, but no one carried any grudges towards each other because the objective is to win. And the competition was so heavy. So I find that to be my biggest learning on my personal side. On the professional side, I'm having 10 years experience. If I need to break it into stages, I'd like to connect to a metaphor. Imagine a kid enters in the car. He thinks the car moves automatically. That's the first stage. The second stage is trying to get the user angle, or is realizing it's not the car moving automatically, someone is driving the car. The third stage is experimenting. The fourth stage is where is actually driving the car. The fifth stage is driving the car without any conscious decision. So to connect to my experience for this 10 years, breaking to 5 different stages. The first stage I designed for my own pleasure. The second stage I tried to bring the user angle to it. The third stage where I'm watching how the design is experimented by the users. The fourth stage is actually delivering the experience to the user. The fifth stage, which I'm still working out, is the design for people to use it on a subconscious mind level or without any conscious decision making. So to conclude my speech, as a person, I understand the value of human beings. I understand the value of co-creation to contribute to the better experience of the society.